My name is Priya Malik. I'm a senior analyst of marketing database at AppDynamics. AppDynamics is a application performance management and monitoring tool. Our hygiene issues were in our industry fields, our country fields, our state fields. These are really important for us in terms of routing and scoring. And so, just for example, where Openprise has also provided great impact, positive impact for us, is we have 12 standard industry values, and when I looked at our database when I came in, we had over 3,000 from free-form fields or different historical drop-down lists. And the Openprise team just sat down with me for an hour, and they're like, "This is how you set up a mapping and a pipeline." And I was able to go in there and be self-sufficient. And then at the end of the day, I just clicked run, and I came in the next day, and everything had been cleansed, and I was able to pull clean reporting. So I think that's been huge for us. A really fun and exciting project that we've been working on with the Openprise team is an automated lead upload template. So for context, our trade show team is doing phenomenal things in terms of the volume of trade shows that they're going to as we've become part of the Cisco family in the past year. So there's just been a higher volume of trade shows and just leads coming in through that channel. And we were using a third-party vendor before to input all of that data, but it was taking a couple of days to get to our sales team, which was definitely a bummer, because if a sales rep is on site at a trade show and we want them to connect with the prospect, we'd want it to be a faster process. So Openprise sat down with us and helped develop a template which captures all the key fields we'd need for a full record. And we include Salesforce campaign ID there. And every night at midnight, it runs. So say our trade show team is, in Miami, and they've got 100 hot leads, because it's a great show, and they can go in and put everything in there, and they feel confident that the next day it'll be in Salesforce and in Marketo and routed to the reps appropriately. So we were able to cut down this couple of day turnaround to the next day. So when we were scoping out the project, it felt almost too good to be true, because in my experience, we've always sent these lists to a third-party vendor to scrub and just get that ready to go into the systems. This was so straightforward and clean. I was like, how can this work? But after developing the rules within the Openprise system and getting it set up in a way that was simple for the team to understand, it was really exciting. And then when we did a live demo and saw it push into Marketo and Salesforce, I was like, you guys, this is amazing. I have friends also who work in a similar space, marketing ops, and they've faced the same challenges that we have in terms of data hygiene, cleansing, making sure processes are automated. And my recommendation to them is to implement Openprise, because they'll be able to solve those problems and more, and also be able to focus their attention on analysis and really driving value instead of cleaning up databases.